What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. As always, not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the space, because it is very risky and very volatile. And if you enjoy the content, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Markets aren't looking that great, guys. Bitcoin fell below the bull market support band, and I'm not sure if we're gonna see a retest of the 20,000 level, $20,000 price for Bitcoin. But Kaspa is holding up pretty good in comparison to the rest of the market. The next support line would potentially be that 39 cent mark from the previous video. We saw some nice TA from I think it was called Our Crypto Talk, and if we hold that level at 39 cent, we could see a potential 2x move for Cas to the 7 to 8 cent price, right, in the future, guys. So keep an eye out for that. From CryptoGrad, after selling out the initial batch of Cas mining rigs at a price of just under $50,000, $49,800, Bitmain plans to release a new batch in the near future, right? This is extremely amazing news, and you could see there's more and more people, more than likely Bitcoin miners as well, that have been have had mining rigs for a while, buying the KS free miners for $49,800, and now Bitmain, one of the top mining mining rig companies, will have to restock their Kaspa miner KS free miners. And again, that is very bullish. Mr. Positive, this is so bullish. Follow the miners. My money says Cas is about to launch skyward. Glad I'm in. Just my opinion, of course, but it's based on what Cas has done in the past. When hash rate goes boom, price also goes boom. And I've been saying that in my previous videos as well. Follow the miners. And just like with Bitcoin, when Bitcoin's hash rate started to move up to new all-time highs, so did Bitcoin's price. Right now, Cas is matching 2013, 2014 Bitcoin mining statistics, right? And that is absolutely amazing. Water Junkie Cat hit 13 PHS Cas. Block that info. Kaspa mainnet block count, and the hash rate is now at 13 PHS. All-time high after all-time high for the Kaspa hash rate. It's only a matter of time until price follows. From Kaspa News, Cas 300k hodl address. It couldn't be more fair than that. And again, the wallet distribution of Cas is absolutely amazing. It is so well distributed. I covered this on a live stream and talked about it, how in typically in projects there's a set amount of whales that hold so much of Cas, or so much of a project, my apologies, and that creates negative price action. Even with the mining of Kaspa, it was done fairly, right? At the start of Cas, when it was very small, much smaller in price, much smaller in market cap, there was GPU mining that you could do for Cas, and make it easily or fairer or more accessible for people who don't have a ton of money to afford these ASIC miners from Bitmain for like I showed you guys, $50,000. You could mine on GPU and still earn a great amount from Kaspa, right, at the early stages of Cas. So the distribution was so fair. It wasn't a situation where only the wealthy could mine Cas and get allocation of Cas. No, it wasn't like that. It was spread out fairly to basically anyone, man. People that don't have that much wealth or money to spend, and eventually we could see it reflecting the wallet distribution for Cas. Right now, Cas has over 300,000 addresses, right? It's only a matter of time until Cas is at 1 million. Again, very amazing stuff for Cas and very interesting stuff. Luffy Everyone should hold Cas. Cas will soon take a 10% of the global crypto market cap. Top 5 on CMC is inevitable. Cas to $2 is very realistic. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Majority of people who hold Cas think the $1 to $5 target is not far-fetched at all, right? Early retirement, exactly. Cas easy top 5, future top 3. Coin exposed. In the next bull, even more Cas truly solved the trilemma, and we are in the longest bear market ever, over 600 days. Cas did not get affected by that bear market at all, that's for sure. Look at right here from Chris, $2 is conservative, right? From Simo, the quicker Kaspa absorbs liquidity from Bitcoin, the quicker all the scams being worked on top of BTC, Lightning, Liquid, ARC, RGB, RSK will fail and be abandoned due to a lack of funds. Kaspa is the punishment of God created to destroy BTC. Nobody can stop it. I know about destroying BTC, but I do think about, you know, being hand in hand with BTC, right? Bitcoin number 1, Cas number 2. Bitcoin digital gold, Cas digital silver, right? And again, you can see a lot of people liquidating their other assets to get in the Kaspa. This this Pac-Man little GIF right here shows a perfect example of that. Awesome stuff. From Seps, Kaspa whale update, and the whale keeps on loading. Another 3 million bought. Take note, bag fumblers. Now totaling 226 million. Question is, who is it? Who is this whale, right? Just under $10 million of Cas accumulated from this whale. Is it a centralized exchange, or is it just a whale? Is it an institutional investor? Is it a centralized exchange? We have no idea who it is, but they are leaving code for us. They left the code LEET. They also left the code Satoshi. Mucho bueno. LEET. Cas received. Phoenix, it's me. Crypto Phoenix, it's me. Vital, bro is doxing my wallet. Bybit, oh, let's see, Humble, Bybit or Binance. It's good cause that means one or another hasn't accumulated yet. Okay, so it could be Bybit or Binance. All right. From 10 Meech, set the belt and get ready, Cas fam. See right here, we did it before. From the previous video I just checked out, we saw Cas did a 2x move, 150% move in the past, and we are literally recreating the same scenario right here. So we could see another 2x move for Cas to that 8-cent mark. So we saw the move back here, and right now we are repeating the same price action. Will we break out for the 2x move in Cas, guys? Let's see what happens. Space Traveler, today Cas has surpassed 300,000 wallets holding Cas. With this exponential growth and Kaspa's popularity, we're looking at 1 million wallets until the end of this year. Imagine what the price of Cas will be with 1 million wallets. One thing is for sure though, the wallet distribution for Cas is absolutely top notch. We also have a video right here from Crypto Haber. It happens with the fastest transfer in the world. Again, there's a number of videos similar to this where people are sending and receiving Cas, and the speed it has, right? It happens instantly when you send and receive Cas. We've covered videos with how fast Cas is compared to Visa, Solana, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc. And again, the speed for Cas is unmatched. Instantly sent, man. That is insane, man. Again, this is what Bitcoin was aiming to accomplish. This is what Bitcoin was aiming to set out to accomplish, to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Cas has achieved that, Sam Otter, currently everything is down except Kaspa. There's nothing wrong with including some jokes every now and again, guys. Don't have to take crypto serious all the time. People who understand crypto, Bitcoin. Yeah, we got a new baddie on our hands. From Captain Sats, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash Maxis. The academics behind Ghost and Inclusive work, whose work Nick Szabo praises in the video below, designed the CAS protocols. You will be pleasantly surprised. CAS is breaking NC proof of work records. Let's take a look, man.
So,
what was that name again?
Vitalik Buterin.
He's the guy who created, or he's a
Yeah.
lead developer on Ethereum.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He's actually an interesting guy, young prodigy, probably like 20 or 21 now. Started when he was 18. Absolutely brilliant.
There's a guy named Aviv Zohar who's written some great papers. One of them is on Ghost, which is what Ethereum is based on.
Hear that, guys? From Aviv Zohar. Again, Aviv Zohar and Jonathan Sampolinsky are the founders of Kaspa, right? And Ghost is what Ethereum is based on, which was written by Jonathan and Aviv Zohar. And that is old technology that they developed. Compare it with CAS, which is the newest technology, which is called DAG Knight, right?
And he's got a follow-up to that whose name escapes me. And he's also co-authored a great paper on attacks against Bitcoin from the underlying network. So he's one of the experts on the security of Bitcoin, which is a skill and knowledge set in scarce supply. So
What was that name?
Absolutely awesome and interesting stuff. Crypto Grad, will CAS achieve 20 PHS by August N? Excitement rises as Bitmain Tech initiates ASIC shipments. 13.33 PHS, another new all-time high. And the first batch of Antminer KS3 shipped today. First batch sold out, and they are already getting ready to create their second batch. From Shakib, it's possible with this momentum. Seems like it will. Buzzard, fire emojis from Arsenal. And guys, I'm telling you, this is absolutely bullish, right? This is absolutely great for Kaspa. Time and time again, these you know, the more you research CAS, the more you look into CAS, it has everything going for it, guys. And with that, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything CAS and myself will be in the description. Share the video with your friends and family if you enjoyed it, guys, and tune into the live streams as well. Again, thank y'all so much for all the support. Really can't stress that enough. Words can't describe it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.